The University Hospital of the West Indies says it remains committed to improving patient care following a Supreme Court judgment in a medical negligence case arising from an incident in 2018. The university has been ordered to pay millions of dollars in damages after the Supreme Court found the hospital breached its duty of care to a 16-year-old girl who died in 2018. The court awarded damages for the teenager's pain and suffering, loss of expectation of life, lost future earnings, special damages, as well as the cost of an expert witness report. The judge found the hospital failed to adequately investigate the possibility of meningitis, including not carrying out the necessary procedures despite the condition being identified as a differential diagnosis. The court also found there was no clear treatment plan as the teenager's condition rapidly deteriorated. In a statement today, the UHWI says it has since strengthened its clinical governance, patient safety and quality assurance systems while investing in technology, staff development and improved care. The hospital added that its attorneys are reviewing the court's written judgment and reaffirmed its commitment to transparency, accountability and high-quality patient care.